Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two smartwatches from Haylou. We have the popular premium version, the Haylou RS5 Smartwatch. And the other one here, it is the latest smartwatch from the company and one of the most affordable wearable in their collection, the Haylou Watch S6. On this video, we are going to compare these two smartwatches. We will compare the specs, the design, as well as the offered features. So if you are interested to see if what is the difference between the Watch S6 and the RS5, watch this video. And again, support our channel by liking, sharing, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Alright, let's start and compare the Watch S6 with the RS5. So this is the packaging. As you can see here, simple packaging for the Watch S6. This is the latest and the most affordable. RS5, it is in the mid-range, but still, it's a premium looking, feature-loaded smartwatch. Okay, so RS5 and the S6, Watch S6. At the back, we do have some details for the specifications. So the same size for the screen display. You have here a high definition. I think this is TFT LCD. While for our RS5, we do have an AMOLED screen display with a 410 by 502 pixel resolution. 120 plus workout modes. We have here 150 plus workout modes. 7-day battery life. We have here 9-day battery life. But the basic usage here is 20 days only compared to our Watch S6 that is 30 days. Okay. So voice assistant, it also features Bluetooth call. Okay, so that's it for the specs and the packaging of the Watch S6 and RS5. Now that we are done with the specs and the packaging, let's proceed with the design of the smartwatch. Again, this is the Watch S6 and the RS5. Alright, so when it comes to the design, the Watch S6 do have a PC material, metal body frame for our RS5. The same size for the screen display, I guess TFT, and this one is AMOLED screen display. So when it comes to the design, as you can see here, the RS5 do have a much premium look compared to our Watch S6, but still it looks sporty for the Watch S6. At the back, both do have a plastic cover. On the side with the speaker here, both do have a quick release pin for its flexible silicone strap. So which do you think is much better when it comes to the design? Okay, for me, I like the RS5. In fact, this is my go-to smartwatch, okay, compared to other wearables. For the screen display, both do have a beautiful look here. Let's adjust the brightness here so we can compare it. Okay, still the color here on the RS5 is much better. Okay, for the weight, let's check. Remember, the RS5 do have a metal body frame. Then let's check. So it is around, again, we'll weight it properly, 50.43 for the Watch S6. Let's see. So it's around 37.95. So very lightweight for the Watch S6. So if you are looking for a lightweight smartwatch, guess the Watch S6 is for you. Then for the dimension here, the thickness, 9.6 for our Watch S6. For the RS5, we have around 10.4, more than 1 millimeter when it comes to the thickness. Okay, again, let's have a closer look at the design. So this is not rotary. This one is rotary function. If you are going to access the menus, you can use the crown button to change the menus. How about here for the Watch S6? No. Okay. Then, for the design, so which do you think is much better? Drop a comment below. So for the size here, wider body frame for our RS5 compared to the Watch S6. Okay. Then next, let's explore the menus and features. So for the offered features, let's check first the UI here. Okay. Then here, so the same options. Okay. Then on the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the right side or on the left side, we have, let's see, widgets. Split screen, I think, for the RS5. Right side, again, the widgets here. So different style for the UI, although they are from the same company. Check favorites. So different style, different design. Okay, you can add your own components also, or widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button here. The same with the RS5. So here are the features. We have the workout, heart rate. Let's see the UI here. So different style for the UI. Daily activities. We have the stress monitoring, workout sports record. How about for the blood oxygen here? So different style. Going back, we have the weather, music control. We have a music control here. I did not notice it. Okay, we have it here also. Okay, this one is much better looking compared to our RS5. So we have weather. We have the camera, calculator here. Do we have a calculator here? Let's see. Seems like toolbox. Let's check. We have a calculator also. Turn back. So we have activity tracking, calendar. Do we have a calendar here? Let's see on the tools. Find phone. We don't have a calendar. I think we don't have a calendar for our RS5, and we have it here. Both do have a voice assistant. Notifications, find phone, flashlight. I think we also have a flashlight here. Yes, we have a flashlight. We just don't have the calendar. For the settings, brightness, watch face, password, timeout, raise to wake, vibration, screen lock, the QR code, power saving. So it seems like there are more options here on the Watch S6. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, sound and vibration. We have here also. Watch face. We have an always on display, and we have a theme. So more options for the screen display here. For the RS5. So brightness, settings, so which is much brighter? Obviously, as you can see here, the RS5. Screen time up to 15 seconds. Yes, we timeout. We have at least 30 seconds here. Going back. Okay, so there are some differences, or there are some changes here on the Watch S6 compared to our RS5. But the sports functions, there are more sports functions here on the RS5. 150, 120 for the Watch S6. Okay, in the running, let's see the metrics here. So it monitors the time, beats per minute, distance, and steps and pace. The same. Okay, and okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the design, specs, and the menus and features of our Watch S6 compared to the RS5. So which do you think is much better? Drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.